Okay, so this is us. This is us trying out the beautiful lantern cock. Oh Jesus! Fuck! Holy! What the shit? Oh my fuck! It's like speaking in tongues in a second. Listen to this. What the hell is that saying? And it says a bump and go action, but it's not really moving anywhere. Aren't the legs supposed to move it or something? ISIS? And on that note, kids, I'm gonna set this bitch on fire and send it back to hell.